In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the privacy extension for WhatsApp Web when it isn't working correctly. If you're experiencing issues with your privacy extension, don't worry, it's a common problem that can usually be resolved with a few simple steps. Today we'll walk through a comprehensive troubleshooting process designed to get everything back on track. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Why is this important? Well, cache and cookies are temporary files that your browser stores to speed up website loading. However, they can sometimes cause conflicts with extensions or website functionality. To begin, head over to your browser's settings. If you're using Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner. For Firefox, click the three horizontal lines. Once you're there, look for options labeled Privacy and Security or Clear Browsing Data for Chrome users, or Privacy or Clear Data if you're using Firefox. When you find these options, proceed to clear both the cache and cookies. You might wonder why this step is necessary. Clearing your cache ensures that your browser loads the most recent versions of web pages and doesn't rely on potentially outdated data. So once you've done that, let's move on to the next step. Now, let's consider the extensions you have installed. Sometimes other extensions might interfere with the functionality of your privacy extension. Head back to your browser settings and look for the Extensions tab. Here, disable or even uninstall any other extensions that could potentially be causing issues. If after disabling your problem resolves, you might have found the culprit. To hone in further, try re-enabling them one by one to identify precisely which extension is conflicting. If disabling extensions didn't solve the issue, it may be time to try reinstalling the privacy extension itself. First, uninstall the current version of the privacy extension for WhatsApp Web. Once it's uninstalled, reinstall it again. Reinstallation can often resolve hidden glitches or bugs affecting the extension. Lastly, if none of these solutions have fixed the problem, try refreshing the WhatsApp web page after you've made these changes. This ensures that all your new settings or adjustments are applied freshly when you use WhatsApp Web again. Following these steps systematically should help resolve any issues you're encountering with your privacy extension on WhatsApp Web. If the problem persists, you might want to consider reaching out to the support team of the extension for more personalized help. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy browsing!